That ain't something I do when you're not around.
I think when I'm not around, you talk to yourself even more.
Basically, just take care of business. That's what I do.
Oh yeah, edit.
Edit, take care of things that need to be done. Behind the scenes stuff that now you don't even know go on.
Smooching.
Yeah, that too.
Who do I like?
Eli.
What?
And let's get this. Why we on Eli? Let's talk. Let's rap. Let's rap. So you talking about Eli?
Ma.
So everybody want to know.
Everybody asking.
Everybody asking. Now, if you're a big fan or a big supporter of ItzSoNyiah, you would have known already. We have said this before. But because people want to believe what they want to believe, or because people just want to continue to assume and don't listen to what I say, just believe what's wrong. I don't care. But at the end of the day, I've stated it before. Nyiah can start dating when she's 16 years old. And I have to approve it. Just because she's with Eli, that's her friend. Just because they do videos together, you can clearly tell that they like each other. Duh. That doesn't mean they're dating because I did not approve that. But of course I want to get to know the potential for my daughter. I want to get to know him. I want to know everything about him. If you're going to be dating my child in the future. Possibly. You better behave, Eli. So to answer anybody's question, they are friends for now until she's old enough to date. Now, whatever you say after this is your business. You can assume what you want. Next. What's the next question?
What is the YouTube? ItzSoNyiah here back with another video. And today, guys, I have my mom here again. Say hey, Mom.
Hola.
You want to shout out your channel?
Yes, if you guys don't know, I'm T from TLE TV.
Period. Go subscribe to their channel right now. And we're going to be doing a seafood boil today. We have snow crabs,
shrimp,
egg,
corn,
and lemons.
Lemons.
So as you guys know, I do the 3 shout outs of the day. You have to be the first 3 to comment on any one of my videos to get a shout out. So first shout out goes out to Angie. Shout out to my FC. Her birthday Friday. Tell her happy birthday in the comment section. I love you, FC. Second shout out goes out to Tania Randall. I think Tania or Taniah. Shout out to you.
Tania.
Tania?
I think
okay.
so. I don't know.
Thank you for supporting my channel. I love you. And third shout out goes out to Mix Cinderella. That's my friend. Shout out to you. I love you, boo. And thank you for supporting my channel and being the first 3 to get a shout out.
Yes, thank y'all so much for supporting her channel. It means a lot to me as well.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, so you want to go ahead and bless the food? Because
yes.
I'm hungry.
Okay. Dear Lord God, I want to thank you for this food today. I hope it's a nourishment to our body and we enjoy this food. I hope no hurt, harm, or danger because of this food as we receive it. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen.
Amen. And we got Steph and Tasha sauce on the side again today.
Yes, we have Steph and Tasha sauce. If you have not tried their sauce already, you need to go try it now. Make it now.
Now.
It's like
bomb. It's really good, y'all. It's really good.
Shout out to y'all. I love y'all, Steph and Tasha.
And then also to drink today, I'm trying the pink lemonade Minute Maid for the first time. I know I buy it. Which one?
This is the Minute Maid, the other one.
Which one? The strawberry lemonade?
Yes.
So she got, which one is it?
I think.
Oh, the fruit punch.
Fruit punch.
She got the fruit punch. I got the pink lemonade. I always buy these for them, but I never drink them. So today, I got my glass, so I'm gonna put it.
So I'm gonna grab my. Is there any specific one you want?
I just got it on.
Cause you know, just making sure. Oops.
It'll be alright.
Okay. And today the topic is Mom.
Yeah, so today's video, I know in the last video me and I did together, she asked me questions. So today, I'm going to ask her questions.
No.
Yes, so let's get to eating some food first.
Mom.
What's wrong?
You know, please, some on my face.
I did? For real?
Yeah.
My bad. Okay, it's a little tight because we got the small table today, so just bear with us.
We didn't set up the big one.
No, we ain't feel like doing all that.
Ooh.
Ooh, there you go. Y'all see, she know how to eat snow crabs. Everybody was like, why you eating crabs like that?
Why you doing it?
Why you doing that? She know how to eat them. She just wanted to do it. I don't know. I don't know why that was so offensive to people. Like,
right, everyone kept saying it. It got to the point I got so annoyed with it.
Yeah, like, why you chewing it like that? I'm just like,
I don't know. I'm gonna keep doing it the way I do it.
Can't she just chew it the way she wants to? It's her food.
Wait, my bracket.
Yeah, be careful now. Did you tell them you got it fixed?
Them, you too. Well, I never told them it broke. It feels weird.
Be careful.
I ain't right sure. I think it's okay.
You good?
I don't know.
These good. I love the ones from Publix.
These roll crowds bust, y'all.
They are the best from Publix. Did you try the sauce?
Yeah, it's good.
You like it?
Yeah. Bomb. Ooh. So how was you guys' day today? Did you do anything interesting so far? Or was it just like, normal?
Did y'all go to school? Some people's school didn't start yet, right?
Oh yeah, some people start in September. These crabs bomb.
Thank you.
You welcome.
I'll be trying because I know she's going to be critiquing me.
Yes, guys, I give her critiques because I'm her daughter, so I tell her the truth.
And I want her to because I don't want it to be. I want it to taste good. I know Nyiah was like, I ain't that hungry. It changed.
I wasn't. Alright.
It changed. So that's why I didn't make a whole lot, y'all. So if y'all like, why it's not a lot? Cause
yes, because she was asking me how much of everything I wanted. And I didn't want a lot today, guys, because I wasn't hungry. But now I'm like, ugh.
I don't know. And I don't like to waste food because
we're not wasters.
Yeah. Remember when we used to first start doing seafood boils? We used to waste so much food. I can't do that no more.
We spent so much money wasting all
so
that
much food.
I know it's terrible.
It was. Get one of these shrimp. They the jumbo colossal or the super colossal.
Oh yes. Are you gonna ask me a question?
Yes, I gotta eat something first.
Mom,
you be taking like one bite.
Mom, cause I like to talk, like interact. It makes it more fun, like.
But some people like, you know, some people just want to see you eat too.
But Mom.
Okay. All right. That wasn't $2. Y'all, since I'm getting good.
Yeah.
Since I'm getting rushed and stuff.
I'm not.
All right. First question. What is something I always say to you?
Something my mom always says to me. It's okay, nah. No, I'm kidding.
I just knew you was gonna know what to say. Cause you keep saying I say it all the time.
What?
I don't know. I'm not sure if you can figure it out. You always say it all the time.
When you be talking to me? It's mainly about boys.
No, something I always say to you. Like it could be an expression, it could be anything. Something I always say to you. Or something I always say.
You'd be like, don't forget to text me. Or put on your seatbelt. That?
No. You always was like, nah.
Oh, yeah. She always say nah. Nah. Always. I forgot.
She was like, why are you always saying that? I'm like, no, I'm not.
Yeah.
Come on. So, next question.
She always say, nah. I can't eat this. It's hard. But this is so good. Next question. Huh?
What makes you happy? What makes me happy?
What makes my mom happy?
Yes.
Some noodles, some shrimp, and a Pepsi.
What that? What else? That's a food that made me happy. Okay. What else?
I feel like her kids in general, like stuff like when we get good grades or when she sees us succeeding or doing better, that makes her happy.
Yes, that's true. Sorry if I'm getting you. My bad.
Yeah. If we're doing better than we were before, you know, basically being successful makes her happy.
That definitely does because I want my kids to be successful. Way more successful than I was. And do better than I did.
That's what every parent should want.
Yeah, that's true. That's what every parent should want. Some people, I don't know if they care. Like, it's just like, you see your kids going down the same step path, and you still just support it or don't say nothing about it. I don't get that. Anyway, what makes me sad?
What makes you sad?
We'll see how much Nyiah really know about me.
What makes you sad?
Yep. What makes me sad? Ooh, this egg hot. Ooh.
I don't really know what makes you sad, Mom.
It's okay. I'm not a big fan of lemonade. Need some more sweetness.
Ma, I don't know, honestly.
Okay. You don't know
what makes you sad?
You don't know one thing that make me sad? If I would say,
what would you say? Yes, I want to know.
One thing that made me sad, maybe if y'all are sad.
Oh,
it makes me sad. It does. Like, you know, if I don't know, y'all. I try not to be a sad person.
Yes, because my mom, she's barely sad. That's why I don't know. She's never sad.
I don't show it. If I am, I won't show it.
I can't tell because I never seen my mom sad.
Sometimes, you know, you have.
Well,
I just try not to just sulk. How do I make you laugh?
By when she talk about people.
What?
But either when she talk about people,
what are you talking about?
Or when she said, like when she talked to herself. That's how it's a lot of stuff. When she say what the, that's so funny to me. Like she always saying what the to something, and it's funny the way she says it. It's a lot of stuff. Everything my mama do make me laugh. Basically, she's just a funny person. Like she could look away, like she could look somewhere fast, like, and it's so funny.
She just laugh at everything I do. And what do you mean when I be talking about people? I don't be talking about people. What you talking about? I'm an angel.
Okay.
Anyway. Let's see. Next is, what's my favorite thing to do?
My mom's favorite thing to do is watch that. What's the one? Queen of the Stones? Game of Thrones. Watch she eat noodles. That's one thing she like to do. Another thing she like to do is hang out with her friend. Well, hang out with Prissy P. That's something she loves, to hang out with Prissy P. I like to do. What else you like to do?
I like to be with my children.
She like to be with me. Like we go places, and she like to hang out, laugh.
Be with my family, my husband. I be with my family.
This is so good.
That ain't something I do when you're not around. What? What was that face?
Let's see. What do you do when I'm not around?
I don't know. Just take a guess. What you think I be doing when you're not around? Oh no, we didn't get the things. Be careful now.
I'm always breaking myself. Because every time I burn myself, she laughs.
That is so flawed.
I think when I'm not around, you talk to yourself even more. What else?
Everybody talk to themselves.
I think you
gotta make decisions.
I don't know.
Basically, just take care of business. That's what I do.
Oh yeah, edit.
And take care of things that need to be done. Behind the scenes stuff that now you don't even know go on.
Smooching.
Yeah, that too.
Okay.
Okay, hold on.
Don't even. Mom, the song's far. I've been reaching.
You want to switch?
Yes. You want to switch?
I don't care.
Is it hot?
Yeah, it's hot. Now the meat gonna be far.
No, it's easy.
I probably got stuff in my chin. Look at it. That was not funny.
Sorry. Oh my gosh. See y'all shit funny like.
Excuse me.
Little stuff.
No. All right. Yes. All right. What am I really good at? What am I really good at?
Cooking and editing.
Thank you.
Those are most, you're welcome. Those are most two good things she's good at. I mean, y'all think right? Most two things she's good at. Cooking and editing. She could cook up something now.
What you say?
Hey, the camera died. Sorry, guys.
Sorry.
We're back in bed. We're ready though. We're back.
We're back and we're better.
Oh wow!
Yeah.
Oh child.
Yes.
Hot.
Okay. Oh, sorry, y'all.
That's Nina.
Yeah, that's Nina. Nina, you interrupted our video. But anyway. Oh.
Ma, I don't know how many shrimps I ate.
I knew I should have made more. Only
ate 2.
I'm not. Yeah, right.
I did.
I'm not hungry. Name something I'm not good at.
She's not good at.
Why are you laughing?
Cause I'm trying to think. She's not good at
What?
being mad for a long time.
Oh.
Like being mad for a long time, she don't. But that's not something you're not good at. What do you think?
You should take advantage of that.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do.
You
You trying to take advantage of a mother. Literally.
Really? Let me think. Mom, what you think you're not good at? I don't know what you're like.
It's some stuff.
Did I say 2 or 1 egg?
You said 1. You want 2, don't you?
Nope.
That's why I put more.
Let me think. This corn is so good. I can't even eat it though because it's hot. I don't know, honestly.
I'm not good at hiding my emotions.
Dang it.
What?
I dropped the lemon. Dang it.
I'm not good at being me, like she said, being mad all the time. Cause I don't like being mad or staying mad.
Yeah.
But I can get there though. I don't know. Maybe like I don't know.
I can't get it out. Can you help me? I'm putting it on.
Use a crab leg. I'll use this.
Oh.
Ooh. It's hot. This yours. Alright.
It's hot.
Oh, you tried to say that was my favorite food.
Yes.
What do you enjoy doing with me? Or what do I enjoy doing with you?
We enjoy going shopping, even though it's so funny because she picks out old people clothes.
Whatever.
And I
picks out boy clothes. I want her to dress like a girl. She wants to dress like a tomboy. She won't confess it.
I don't dress like a tomboy.
She definitely does. And when I pick out girly stuff, ooh no, it does not look old. It just is girly. I like it.
Anyway, we enjoy shopping. You know, it's funny. We enjoy going getting ice cream with nuts.
She get the nuts.
We enjoy.
What do we do? Singing together.
Singing. Dancing sometimes depends.
She always tell me to stop.
You out by mom.
She be like,
go.
no more. But I don't listen. What else?
And
ooh, these hot.
woo, just being around each other, honestly.
Yeah, that's true.
We're always with each other. Literally.
Literally.
Unless you in your room.
Because I can't get this little thing away from me. I'm just kidding.
No, it's on your face. Oh.
I know. Y'all, look at this. Pathetic. Alrighty. How many more you want to answer?
Look at mine.
I don't see any more. Let's make up one.
Mom, what's my favorite color?
Pink.
Who do I like?
Eli.
What?
And let's get this. Why we on Eli? Let's talk. Let's rap. Let's rap. Who you talking about, Eli?
Ma.
So everybody want to know.
Everybody asking.
Everybody asking. Now, if you're a big fan or a big supporter of ItzSoNyiah, you would have known already. We have said this before. But because people want to believe what they want to believe, or because people just want to continue to assume and don't listen to what I say, just believe what you want. I don't care. But at the end of the day, I've stated it before. Nyiah can start dating when she's 16 years old. And I have to approve it. Just because she's with Eli, that's her friend. Just because they do videos together, you can clearly tell that they like each other. Duh. That doesn't mean they're dating because I did not approve that. But of course I want to get to know the potential for my daughter. I want to get to know him. I want to know everything about him. If you're going to be dating my child in the future. Possibly. You better behave, Eli. So to answer anybody's question, they are friends for now until she's old enough to date. Now, whatever you say after this is your business. You can assume what you want. Next. What's the next question? What?
Yeah.
That part.
Okay. Who is my favorite person?
You only have one?
Who is my top 5 favorite people that I talk about the most?
This is just friends or what? Friends and family?
Everybody. My top 5. Ooh.
Me? I better be one.
Come on, Mama. Answer.
I gotta do all 5?
Yes.
I'm gonna say Kayla, Eli. Oh, crap. Angie.
Kayla, Eli, Angie. Excuse me.
Ariana. This not in no order, y'all. I'm just naming.
Who? Ariana, my cousin?
I don't know. Beverly? Okay, did I get it right?
No.
Okay, go ahead.
I'll talk about the first 3 you got right.
Kayla, Angie.
Yeah. Then it's Angelica. Then it's, who else I talk about a lot?
You talk about Ariana too.
Well, yes, you got Ariana right too, but it's Angelica too. Ow.
Oh yeah, she do talk about Angelica. She do. But I don't know, you talk about a lot of people. I don't know who's the favorite.
Did I just say who my favorite top 5?
I thought you said who's your top 5. That mean the favorite top 5 people.
No, who do I talk about the most? Top 5.
It's all of them.
Who I talk about more? Kayla or Elijah?
Both. To me.
So like, I always be like, Mom.
She talk, well, yeah, maybe Eli a little bit more. Because you talk to him like all the time.
Why? No, I don't.
Lies.
How do I talk to Elijah all the time?
You talk to him every day, every second of the day, every minute, every hour.
Okay, that's not true because right now he's at football practice.
And they try to sneak and talk to him too.
No. He's at practice.
Okay. Yeah, I was on the phone. Her and Kayla, I was on the phone too, but
yeah,
she was caking. It's true.
Ask me questions about
your face.
No, ask me about you.
Who's my top 5 people?
Lee, Prissy.
On period.
Lee, Prissy. I would say Amber, but not really.
Well, yeah, I love Amber. We don't talk as much as we
No, I'm saying
because she works all the time. Yeah, she worked, but yeah, that's my boo thing. I just talked to her yesterday.
Oh yeah,
And
Amber. You appreciate Amber. Auntie Candace. And
You missing somebody?
Auntie Shauna.
Yes. She's about to get me jacked up. Yes, yes.
I meant to put Auntie Shauna first, like Auntie Shauna and Amber. Yeah. It's
So,
no specific order.
yeah, it's no order. It's just the people that are the closest to us. Okay. Next is I would say, oh gosh, this is hot, y'all. I would say, who is my favorite child?
Me.
Why would you
Just
say
kidding.
that?
Jelena. Just kidding. I think it's out of me and Jelena.
Really? Y'all think I have a favorite?
Yes.
I do not.
It's Jelena.
I thought she was gonna say nobody. I don't have a favorite. I love my kids the same. Of course, Nyiah's here with me all the time. So, I mean, we're always together. But sometimes people consider to bump me. I would say she's the most spoiled.
No.
She's the most spoiled.
No, I'm not.
Because she's always asking for stuff.
No, I don't. Well, that's it.
Mm-hmm. I'm done.
Don't forget to give this video a like, comment, and what?
Subscribe.
Don't forget to check out my Instagram, my ITZ_Nyiah with 3 H's. Don't forget to check out her Instagram at
Will TV. I'm trying.
TV. Don't forget to follow her. Subscribe to her channel at TNLeeTV.
Period.
And last but not least, let me know what else videos you want to see of me and my mom coming down.
Let us know if you like the videos of us together, so I'll appear some more. I ain't trying to take over her channel. This is her channel, you know what I'm saying? But
Really, Mom?
no, I'm not. But if you would like to see me in future videos, you know, just let me know down below. Let her know down below, and we'll see what we can arrange, you know.
Don't forget to... I forgot, Mom.
We're done. Like, it's over.
Well, I'll see you guys on the next video.
Yep.
Bye, guys.
Trying to find love in a world so cold. Ooh, is that too much?
Trying to find love in a world so cold.